Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the phone has power and the image you want or no image at all. Once ready, unlock the device and go straight to Settings, Display, or Wallpaper. You tap Wallpaper and then choose the current pane, Home, Lock, or both. Make sure to note whether the wallpaper is a live or app set option. That matters. Now select Change or Remove. If an obvious None option appears, choose it. Otherwise, pick a plain background to overwrite. You may encounter live wallpapers or ones set by an app, so first identify which type you're dealing with. If an app set it, open that app and use its Remove or Reset function. Once done, return to Settings and change to a static image or default background. If removal fails, go to Apps, pick the Wallpaper app, and clear cache or storage. This often forces release of the image. If needed, reboot the phone to let system changes take effect. You finish by rebooting the device and verifying both lock and home screens display the new or blank background. Once done, make sure any unwanted app isn't reapplying the wallpaper automatically. Check app permissions and background services. If the wallpaper persists, boot into safe mode to test whether a third-party app is the cause. If safe mode clears it, uninstall that app. If not, reinstall or reset display settings as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.